news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 2 from verse 36 to verse 40. One old woman named Anna, where did one prophet, did dead too. She did Phanuel daughter, one man we come from Asher tribe. She did married, but I go 7 years she and her husband did married for before him dead. And she never have no other husband, all when she 84. Morning, noon and night, she spend time in a God house, a fast and pray. Same time Simeon talk to Mary about Jesus, and I come to them and start to praise God. She tell everybody where did I look for God for free Jerusalem about the picnic. After Joseph and Mary do what God last said them to do, then go back at them yard in a Nazareth where they are Galilee. Jesus grow up and get strong. Him did have sense and him did bright. And God did a bless him. And Gad Wod Dis. Thank God.